Alrighty everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate that. Some of you, well, one of you was asking, what kind of thing do I sit on or do I kneel? I've been sitting on this bucket right here, this little tiny bucket. As you can see, my coworker has this little foam pad to kneel on. You can use knee pads or whatever you want, or if you don't want to, or a 5-gallon bucket or whatever. Whatever you want to do, basically. It's pretty chill. So anyways, here's my little garbage box right here. I've been going around. I think you guys already seen that, but still stripping all day long, so not too much exciting here. Someone was asking how to show the installation process of putting in a device. So clarify what you want to see. If you want to see a switch install or a plug install, you said the ground, the black and the red, but usually the black and the red is like in like a 3-way or whatever. So usually there's 2 blacks, or in a plug there's the black, white, and ground. So let me know just to clarify so I know what you want. I'll do that. I was gonna say something else. Oh yes. So I was using my hand. I'll show you that in a second. I'll show my hand in a second, but I've been using this glove like the second half of the day because my hand is literally like the my fingerprint is literally like getting worn off my finger because I've been rubbing the wool so much to get all these crusties off, you know, on the box right here. So I've just been like scraping it with my strippers. First of all, go around the edge of the box with the strippers, and then I take my glove and just like rub it like this, and then it gets all the crusties off or whatever. So it's saving my hand and not rubbing my skin off. Was taking probably a little bit too much time cleaning the edges of these boxes because I thought that's what they wanted, but they just said kind of go over it once and then kind of rub it and make sure there's no big lumps or whatever. So it's going faster now and saving my hand that I've been using this glove. I'll take this off real quick, 1 second. So as you can see right here, my thumbprint is literally like gone on the edge of it. So try to focus here, but it's like gone. And then I don't know if that's part of a blister, but basically my finger was gonna start bleeding if I didn't take care of that. So I've been using the glove and it's helping out a lot. So make sure to do that if you guys are cleaning the edges of these boxes. This is a lifesaver, putting a glove on and using that. Probably the thicker the better. So that's my tips for you. So that's what I wanted to talk about today because you already know I've been stripping. So anyways, if you guys got any other questions or anything you want to see, let me know. Answer that question if you want to see what kind of device you want to see installed. And that should do it, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like, subscribe. See you guys back here tomorrow on the next one. Probably stop by the house again tonight for a sheetrock update, or if they're going over like a second layer of paint. I'm not sure what the schedule is, but that should do it, guys. Check the description down below for anything else and notification bell for notifications on uploads and live streams. Thanks guys so much for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.